हाई और लो को आप हाई और लो ही बोल रहे हो, क्या बोला आपने? अकबर ने बीरबल से पूछा, अकबर बेवकूफ़ियों के क्वेश्चन पूछता था और बीरबल उससे ज़्यादा बेवकूफ़ी में जवाब देता था उसे। इसी बात के लिए बीरबल मशहूर था कि बड़े अच्छे जवाब देता है, जिस टोन में पूछे जाएं उसी टोन में जवाब देता है। ये लाइन खींची है। अकबर ने कहा इस लाइन को छेड़े बिना इसको छोटा कर दो। बीरबल ने कहा साहब मैंने आपकी लाइन को नहीं छोड़ा, छेड़ा ही नहीं है और ये छोटी हो गई। आप इसको बड़ा भी बनाना चाहते हो तो कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है, बड़ा भी बना सकते हैं। छोटा एंड बड़ा दे आर दी रिलेटिव टर्म्स। आप कह रहे थे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ए फिक्स्ड, विद नॉट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फिक्स्ड, दे आर द रिलेटिव टर्म्स। For example, when outside temperature is 40, we are interested to maintain 25 in the room, and this 25 we call as cold. When outside temperature is 15 and we maintain same 25, and that we call as hot. 25 remains as it is. Sometimes we are calling it as hot, sometimes we are calling it as cold. That means hot and cold, they are the relative terms. But this was cold with respect to this. This is lower than this. The same one is higher than this. So this will mean if I am interested that this should behave as a body of high temperature so that heat can flow. What I will be required to do? Bring another body whose temperature is lower than this so that this will become a body of high temperature. I have picked up heat from here. Now, other aim was to throw heat, this which we picked up, to a body of high temperature. Heat I can throw here if this behaves as a body of low temperature. That means I will be having another body whose temperature is higher than this. I will be able to pick up heat from here and I will be able to throw this heat there. If this type of the arrangement is feasible, that means I am required to have some machine here which heat is picked up from here, for which we have not to do anything. In nature, heat will be flowing from higher temperature to the lower temperature. And then this lower temperature I am interested to increase to a higher temperature more than this. And so far we have studied a number of processes to increase the temperature from lower temperature to higher temperature. And one of the processes is the process of compression. Whenever we compress the given working substance, its temperature shall increase. And to carry out this process of compression, some external work is required. And what we never knew, what we knew was heat flows from the body at high temperature to the body at low temperature. What we didn't know, whether the heat can flow from the body at low temperature to the high temperature. Yes, now we have created the circumstances to get it. And if nothing was available, if this type of equipment was not available, then going heat transfer from here to here was impossible. That was against the law of nature. This is what Mr. Clausius and many others studied. There were large number of statements, out of which the Clausius statement was considered as internationally accepted statement. Which you may write, it is impossible to construct a device that operates. It is impossible to construct a device that operates in a thermodynamic cycle and produces no effect other than the transfer of heat from a body at low temperature to the body at high temperature. I will repeat, it is impossible to construct a device that operates in a thermodynamic cycle that produces no effect other than transfer of heat from a body at low temperature to the body at high temperature. This statement is a negative statement. Starts with it is impossible. Negative statements we never prove. We always prove positive statements. So let us convert this negative statement into positive statement and then try to understand how it is feasible.